Oh, hi. Welcome back. My name's Aaron. I'm the creative director at Square Thunder. You're watching episode number 52 of Fast Logo Friday. Today we're gonna get a little squirrely. That's right, it's episode number 52. Every week for the past year, I've been designing a logo based on a random weird word. Technically, episode number 1 was on February 14th, 2020, so yes, it's been more than 52 weeks. However, I did have a bit of time off for some vacation, so this is the 52th episode of Fast Logo Friday. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been here since the beginning, well, I'm glad you're here too. Today, we're designing a logo for some nocino. I've never had nocino before, and I had a quick look around, and I don't think we can even get it here, which is a bit unfortunate because I would love to try it. It is a Italian liqueur, and it's made from walnuts, actually, and it's got a really, from what I read, it has a sweet and spicy and slightly bitter flavor to it. It's supposedly really good on its own as an aperitif. It's also amazing on vanilla ice cream, and you can make some really cool cocktails with it too. So if I can get some, I will try it. I'd love to check it out sometime. But I don't have any to try, so I can't tell you what it's like. But we're going to design a logo anyway. Our word today is DRAY, D-R-A-Y. And there are a couple of meanings for the word DRAY. One is a low cart used to haul goods like barrels or lumber, or I guess technically those carts that you can get at Home Depot or your building supply store for carrying your stuff is called a DRAY. But if you ask for a DRAY the next time you're at Home Depot, they probably won't have any clue what you're talking about. The word comes from Old English, draegnet, and we also get the German word draage, which is a stretcher, and we also get the word draw, meaning to pull, not to do what I'm going to do here in a moment with sketching, but to pull something with force. Usually you draw something towards you, or you drag it. Same word, same root. Another meaning for the word DRAY is it's often the name given to a group of squirrels. The past few mornings when I'm enjoying my coffee in our sunroom, the squirrels have just been going crazy out in the trees in the yard behind us. They're running up and down the utility poles and across the wires and through the trees, and they're a lot of fun to watch, and they're pretty aggravating for our cat too. A group of squirrels is more commonly called a scurry, which I think is a great name for them because, well, that's pretty obvious what they do. But I like the word DRAY, so we're going to use it today to design a logo for some nocino, because squirrels like nuts and, you know. So, like usual, we're going to start by sketching some rough ideas, then we'll move into Illustrator and refine one of those a little bit further, and I'll put together some mock-ups so we can see what it will look like at the end of the day. Let's get started and see what we can come up with. been episode number 52 of Fast Logo Friday. Do you have a favorite logo that we've done in the past year or so? I've got a few that I really enjoy. I like doing all of them. They're a great creative exercise for me to, stretch my muscles. It's like a musician practicing their scales. It's something that's important for me to do as a designer, to practice and keep fresh and try new things and, just stretch my creative muscles too. But if you have a favorite, I'd love to hear what your favorite is. Type that in the comments down below. If you like what we're doing here, I appreciate it when you give us a thumbs up or like and share the videos. That's really awesome. I appreciate that very much. It means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week for episode number 53. This has been episode 52. We'll see you next time. Stay awesome.